What's up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to work on is a 3-step with a back sweep. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next levels and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for today's video, you will need to understand a front-facing 3-step and also a back sweep. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my videos I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so this move starts with the front-facing 3-step. So we're going to start with our left. This will go left. Weight change will be 2, 2. Front sweep will 3, 3. So from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my knee down back here, so my right knee back here, and I'm going to use this left leg to sweep around and come back to the front. So adding a little bit of extra movement after my 3-step. So starting my left again, this goes to left, right, 3-step, 3-step, put down this knee, back, sweep. Let's try that one more time. So this goes left, weight change, right, sweep. Here, right knee goes down, left leg sweeps. Okay, so let's try that on the other side. So this goes right, weight change, 2. Gonna front sweep, 3. Left knee, the back knee goes down. My right leg is gonna shoot around, back, sweep. Okay, so let's try that again. So it goes right, weight change, 2. Front sweep, 3. Back sweep, 4. So you could kind of think of this as a 4-step pattern as well. Okay, so one more time. So it goes right, switch, sweep, back sweep. Alright, so let's try going back and forth. So starting with the left. So 6, 7, 8. Let's go left, right, back, back sweep, right, left, left, back sweep. Alright, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go left, right, front sweep, back sweep, right, left, front sweep, back sweep. Alright, so let's try to put this together with some counts now. So for me, I'm going to use what I usually do for my 3 steps, which is just 1 and 2 to really accent that snare. And then I'll take my time 3, 4 with that back sweep to come back to the front. Okay, so starting with my left. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3. Again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get to the angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one today, all we're really using is our basic techniques from our weight change, a front sweep, and a back sweep. So if you don't understand any of those, make sure you get them down individually before combining them together into this step. Alright, so again, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!